G'day humans, Chris Stead here. I'm on the road, I'm up at the Hunter Valley, just driving around and checking things out. And then I stumbled up on this place called Pokolbin Lookout, which I don't know, just thought we'd go for a bit of a bushwalk and see what we could see. So we've driven up here in the patrol. So it's I'd say moderate dirt road to get in here. I wouldn't be doing it in a hatchback or anything, but I think you could probably get a van or up there okay. Obviously anything with a rooftop tent or a couple of swags, because there's a freaking sweet little spot up here where people obviously come up to, I don't know, either have a good night or have a little camp, I think. And I'll quickly show you around, just in case you're looking for somewhere to kind of free camp while you're up at the Hunter Valley. Okay, so check it out. If you drive all the way to the end of the lookout here, there's my car. It's just this nice big kind of flat open spot. So you can see there's a couple of little fire pits around like this that people have obviously come and, well, there's a few of these scattered about. It's pretty like reasonable with good views the whole kind of way. This is the way you come, back the way you come. But up the end here, you could totally just park up a van or a rooftop tent or even just swag. It's not even that bad on the ground. Like, it's just dirt, but it's dirt and sand. It's certainly not hard rock or anything like that. And then you can basically sit here. This is north facing. So in a southerly, I think you'd be somewhat protected because that's the way the wind would be coming. But otherwise, look at this view. Right over the Hunter Valley. You can actually drive right onto the rocks there. You wouldn't want to get too lagged and venture for a walk the wrong way because it is an unfenced steep drop off. But look at that. What a great spot to hang out and have a couple of beers and sleep the night. Absolutely magic. There you go, there's a little secret spot. It's probably not secret at all, you probably already all know about it. But anyway, it's secret to me. And yeah, I really want to come back. Having said that, if you do come up here to have a camp, don't dump your rubbish, because that's what'll make them stop doing it, obviously. But yeah, a few people have let the team down.